Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm here to show you how to assemble this beautiful 18-inch car and gift bow. First thing to do is lay the bow flat so the center pull strings are easily accessible. Now, slowly and gently pull the strings back with one hand while holding the rest of the bow in place. After the strings have been pulled back as far as they will go, your bow should gather together in a circular shape. Here comes the fun part. Gently shake the bow while holding it upside down by the strings. This gives the bow its beautiful shape. Flip the bow over and tie a knot using the pull strings. Remember not to pull too hard, otherwise the strings could snap. Voila! Presentation is everything, and this beautiful bow is the perfect accent to the perfect gift.